Happy anniversary to my second Dandy's World, the Result of Isolation Theory video. And yes, if you currently look on my channel, it has been reposted because it was copyrighted, as we can see in this image. But as we can see, it is now officially 1 year old. So, because of this, I decided to say, I'm back, baby! I'm back! So, I have this video set and planned for you guys. What's up, guys? It's me, Golden Bonnings Gold. I know, cringy name. But in this video, I decided to play Dandy's World, the Result of Isolation, multiplayer. And yes, there's a multiplayer version of this game. It seems pretty recent to me, so I don't know if it's old or not. But getting to the main point, in this video, I pretty much join a few runs and say my most famous line. And if you have seen my post, you would know that I said, "Hello, my non-existing fans. What do you guys think is my most iconic voice line, or line, throughout my whole entire channel's existence?" Pretty much, which line or which catchphrase is the most iconic to me. So pretty much, in this video, I'm going to be saying that iconic catchphrase. But I'm actually making this video beforehand, so as I'm currently looking, nobody has responded yet, and I don't expect anybody to respond because I specifically said that my fans are non-existing. Pretty much meaning that I don't think anybody actually watches my content. So, in the footage that I gathered, I'm going to be saying, and remember, these are just theories. A Dandy's World, the Result of Isolation Theory. I also mentioned my outro too, to see if I actually have any real fans. But we'll see, and also see their reactions. But without further ado, let's get into the video and see these people's reactions.